Hello everybody, this is Tushar Vakht and you are watching Be10x and I'm back again with one more amazing video. And in this video, I'm actually excited to let you all know an amazing AI tool that will be helping you to build an e-commerce store within few seconds. If you're not having any experience prior in coding, in web developing, in UI UX designing, in keyword research, in designing, in description, titles, caption, image featuring and all those things, you don't need to worry about, because you are now going to create an e-commerce website on your own with the help of this one AI tool. And that too don't need to pay anything. It is completely free of cost. Yes, you heard me right. This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop. So the Marketsy AI is the tool that we were talking about. Just type Marketsy AI in the Google bar and the top result is the one we were talking about. Let's just click on it and let's just get it open. And once you click on it, with this section, you need to log in here. So once you open it, you need to enter the website that you want to build up. Like for suppose I want to build it for a musical instrument, and just click on this generate my unique store. Just because I have already created 3 to 5 stores, it is asking me to pay a small tip of $2, whereas you don't need to pay this because I have already created 4 to 5 websites already. So I'll be paying this $2, and let's take you to the next steps that what can be done once you complete this process. Okay, so now the website building is in process and you can see that within few seconds my website will be completely ready. Okay, so yes, now as per the requirement, the website is being prepared automatically. It is automatically creating its description, its images, its home page, this featured page, about us page, contact page, shopping page. All these things will be done automatically. And you know what, amazingly, one thing that you can do, you don't need to manually add all the products and you don't need to type with any kind of shipping company to ship all your products. This will automatically generate and get the products added in your website from Amazon and will automatically create an affiliate link. So the delivery and packaging and all things will be done by Amazon on its own, and the Amazon will be getting the delivery done by their own, and only you have to promote your website. You have to create a platform, just like how the big businessman, the giants work, just creating a platform, and you need to promote it with the help of marketing and all those things. You can also do Facebook groups, joining method, and share your products. So basically, before I talk about all these things, let me just show you that how is this working. This is the homepage where it is written something like harmony in every note. Melodic Sounds is a premium supplier of execute grand pianos, offering a wide range of impeccable instruments crafted with precision and passion. Our commitment to excellence in music empowers artists and enthusiasts to create melodic masterpieces that resonate with his soul. If I just click on the shop now button, you can see that all the pianos is been added here automatically. And notice this, when I just scroll down, you can see that there are multiple products. So all these products are being added by Amazon, and when I click on this feature section, you can see that there are multiple options that I can choose. For example, if I just click on this home digital pianos, obviously this will filter out and give me the only home digital pianos under this section. If I click on this movies and TV, you can see these products. If I click on the kids pianos and keyboards, if I click on keyboard, benches and all these things. So I just feel like I want to make some changes. So how can I do that? So before that thing, I need to click on this brush option, and I can obviously change my store name, Melodic Sounds. I need to change it. For suppose if I want to make the store with my name, I'll just write here my name, and I'll just come down, I'll just select the pattern and the theme. What kind of theme do you want? What kind of color do you want in your website? You can also select that thing, and the font option, which kind of font do you love the most, which looks good. I personally like this one. Okay, and let's click on this is the UI section, and when you just click on this launch button, your website is ready to launch, and this clearly tells you that no credit card is required. Let's click on the launch button, and now you can see that this is how my website will look like. I just copy it and let me just open it in a new tab and see how does it looks. Okay, so this is how the website is looking for now. Just because I have logged in with my website, this is allowing me to make some changes. I'll just open it in an incognito tab and let's see how does it really looks. When I open it in an incognito tab, you can see that within few seconds I have actually created an e-commerce website. For suppose if I just click on it, you can see once I click on it, it gives me the detail, the decent title. You can also go and add and remove any of the products. For suppose if I just click on this add to cart option, I'll just add that to cart. I'll just click on this go to cart option. I'll just click on continue to checkout, and all this can be done. So before then, all I'll be doing is I'll be getting back to my pages and I'll be clicking on this steps. Firstly, I need to click on upload products. Once I click on the upload products, I need to select that which product do I want want to add and which product do I want to remove it here. Okay, and also I can search for any other product. For suppose if I don't want all these products are currently added here. For suppose if I don't want to add this, I'll just click out here. Okay, and I can also click on the edit button. I can click on the archive button. For suppose the Suzuki 88 key digital piano home, I just want to click it out here. I'll just click on the edit button, and once I click on the edit button, I can change the price, I can increase the price, I can change the currency, I can change the category, I can change the images, I can also add description. With the help of ChatGPT and Google, but you can actually add some descriptions also. And notice that when I come down, also I have an option of uploading products. Once I click here, I'll just upload, drag and drop any images, and I'll be uploading product. For suppose if I just go to google.com/images, I'll write here as Roland digital keyboard. Let's open this image in a new tab. Let's save it in the download folder. Let's now upload this image, and this has automatically added the description and the title. Obviously the title is not it is not right. Yes, I can go and make some edits according to the product. For suppose this model name is Roland RD 2088 keys, and the price is 2,85,000 in Indian currency. So when I just search here, when I just scroll down and see the thing, it is priced at rupees. Okay, this has no price, so I can click on the edit button, and as per the price I can obviously change the price, and also I can make the name changed. Okay, so this was the uploading product section firstly. Secondly, now let's set up the delivery options. So obviously the delivery will also be done by the Amazon shipping services. So for suppose if I want to change the US and change it to India country, obviously I can choose that Indian currency, and I'll be choosing the free delivery option. If I want to make any changes in the delivery option also, obviously I have the option of doing it. And yes, if you are a person who are living in India and wants to do this thing, then you need to open this Stripe payment gateway. You need to create an account in the Stripe payment gateway, and you need to integrate this thing with your Marketsy AI tool, and then with linking this thing you can actually accept the payments and create a proper store. And once it is done, you will be clicking on the publish button, and once you click on the publish, your host on Marketsy subdomain free to go, or you want to create a custom domain. So I'll just click on this free to go website. I'll just click on the publish button, and now my website is published. Once I click it out here, this is how my website will look alike. You can click on this pencil mark to edit any kind of things like the category, the cards, the everything, the spacing, the everything. Just come down, I click on the settings button, I get back to the settings option, I'll go back to the main thing. And before I go back to the main thing, do understand, if you really want to get adapted with the AI technology, want to build this kind of site, want to know more about ChatGPT, Google Bard, this futuristic way of working, basically if I tell you, then AI is the new working method in 2023. You should really get adapted with the AI technology, and I really appreciate that you are taking steps to get adapted with the AI technology just by watching these videos. If you really want to get more adapted, more updated with AI technology, then I have a gift for you. There's a workshop going to be conducted by two IIT Kharagpur alumni. Do understand that before I reveal about the workshop, this workshop is not here brought up to make money. This workshop is all about actually helping you out, because this costs less than a cup of tea. This actually costs just ₹9, and at just ₹9 you will be having access to this workshop, which will be conducted by these two IIT Kharagpur alumni who have already co-founded multiple 7-figure companies. So obviously you will be getting adapted with that thing. If I just let you know that how does this actually works and what this workshop is all about, you can go to this Be10x.in/AI, and you can see actually that when is the next workshop coming up, and how you can register it, and what are the benefits, and who are the students who have actually got benefiters. And the link is also given in the description below, so do check it out, the link, and do enroll for it, because less than a cup of chai, actually I would say, this workshop is being conducted. So do enroll for it, do learn it, do get adapted, and learn more, try more, and don't put your job at a risk. See, AI is not going to replace any human being, but yes, a person using AI can replace another person. So do get adapted with the AI technology, and let's get back to the video. So yes, if I want to make any kind of changes, I just need to click on add section, or I'll just need to clone block. Once I click on the clone block, actually you can see that there will be two images that I will be actually having access to. I'll just close this thing. I'll be clicking on this add section, and I can add any of the section, for suppose image, navbar, and any of the thing. So this is how you can create a website and add the products, and Amazon will be the main source of your store from where the products will be added and the shipping will be done. So this was all about this Marketsy AI tool in this video. I hope you really found the video very useful. If yes, then don't forget to like the video and let me know that what kind of AI tools do you use on your daily basis to enhance your work experience. So this was all about this video. Thank you for staying tuned with Be10x. This was Tushar signing off with this video, and I'll meet you with one more amazing AI tool. Till then, bye bye.